So first thing we're going to do is we're going to import our media. We're going to go down to my stack. We can see footage. We're going to go down to the FX6. We're going to go ahead, open the second folder today. Open that folder. We'll go in the root, clips. First one, we'll go ahead and import these. So here are our two files. You see bad bill and good bill. So the next thing I have to do is stack these files on top of each other and mask them. Good to change the workspace into editing. From editing, we're going to go into opacity, grab the pen tool. Next thing we're going to do is click the pen tool. Go ahead and we're going to mask. As soon as we connect the last connection, it should mask, and there you go. Now we have good bill, bad bill. And we can render that and play it and have good bill, bad bill. And that's how we do it.